Ken right.
I'm gonna drop it to see if it's still working.
Oh, on the actual, I like that one better.
Oh, I got the top. Yes.
Go. Go.
A new Rube Goldberg book is just arrived at the bookstore. Ken and his friends ride through the treacherous black diamond trails to smooth green trails and huge jumps. Oh no, Ken's friend just went over the handlebars. After a quick detour to the hospital, Ken and his two remaining friends get back on the trails. But oh no, his friend gets a flat tire and has to stay behind. Only Ken and his final friend remain. Ken rounds the corner and sees the library. His prize is in sight. He quickly dismounts and runs to the bookstore. Unbeknownst to them, there's only one book left. They argue about who's going to get the book. Ken's friend suggests that they should race for the book, and so it's settled.
After they left the bookstore, they rode to where the woods start. This will be their starting line, and the bookstore is the finish line. It starts off with a boom. The bikers are intertwined with the woods. The trail is going back and forth, not as getting like. As Ken speeds through the forest, a rock slide is coming towards him. He jumps straight into traffic, barely dodging the oncoming vehicles. Ken rides off the road and back into the woods. He jumps onto a tightrope, almost falling off. He then jumps off the tightrope, inadvertently fracturing the chain. Ken sees a hill coming up and prepares for a descent. He gets to the edge of the hill and unknowingly hits a massive jump, causing Ken to fall off the bike. Ken slides to the finish line and the chain snaps as he crosses. Ken has won.
Three, two.